In this video, let's see how to create and manage SMS templates in Easify Marketing. In the navigation bar, click on SMS. Select Templates. In the SMS Template Groups page, click on Add New Group. In the pop-up, enter the group name. Click the Add button to create the new group. In the SMS Template Groups section, click on Templates button next to the template group. In the SMS Templates section, click on Create Template. In the Create New Template form, enter template name. You can type message on your own or generate using AI. Enter a description of the topic in the provided text box. Click the Generate button to create a new message. AI will create some messages based on your prompt. Click the Choose button next to the desired AI-generated message. You can edit the message if wanted. Click Select Merge field to customize the message further. In the form, click Submit for approval to submit the message template. Template is now created successfully. You can view and edit this template. Click the three dots to see more options. You can copy, delete, and share this template. Click on Template Groups to view the template groups. Here you can view all the template groups. Click the three-dot menu next to Template Group to see further options. You can add, share, copy and delete these template groups. Thank you for your time.